We have already created a bucket and added an object to it. Now let's see how to access Amazon S3 through CLI. Open command prompt, type in AWS configure. So type in your access key, your secret access key, and your default region name and enter. So now you configured. Okay. Now go back to your web browser and type in AWS S3 CLI commands and click enter. Select the link. Okay. So here you can see how to access S3 through CLI. It will list out all the commands. Now scroll down and you can find different commands. Okay, so let's select ls. So ls command is used to list your buckets, objects. Now go back to your CLI, type in AWS S3 space ls and click on enter. So this will list your S3 buckets. As you can see, my administrator 1 bucket is listed here. Now scroll down and copy this and paste, and instead of my bucket, type in your bucket name. So I'll type in administrator 1 and click enter. So this will show any object inside your bucket. Now go back and click on MB. So MB means make bucket. So just copy this example and paste it. Instead of my bucket, type in your bucket name and click on enter. Create a new bucket for you. Now go back to your S3 console page and refresh. Here you can see that your new bucket has been created. Now go back to your S3 console page and refresh. Here you can see that your new bucket has been created. Now let's see the RB command. So RB removes a bucket. Copy and paste it, and instead of my bucket, type in your bucket name and you can see that your bucket has been removed. Now go back to your console, refresh, and now you can see that your bucket has been removed. So this is how you can access S3 using CLI.